Hello guys, are you looking for a way you can have cheap data currently in Nigeria with the little amount of money you have at hand? I don't know how to go about it because of naira scarcity. You don't want to waste money in buying data, so understand, because the one you go use chop you never see, now the one you want carry go dash telecommunications. So you understand? So if you are among those group of people that are looking for how they can even use little amount of money to get data, at least a gift that will keep them alive and make them go online and enjoy the blue short videos on TikToks in order to ease themselves out of this depression and the stress of being in Nigeria, then you are in the right channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Basi Ejuka John, and in my YouTube channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of this content, please kindly click on that red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, without wasting of time, I'm going to show you the simple way I use. Yeah, when I say simple way, is that it's a simple way because it works for me, and I believe it's going to work for you as far as you are using Airtel. So this video is particularly for Airtel users, Airtel users. You understand? I'm going to show you the way I use in getting 200 naira 1 gig. You understand? I use 200 naira to get 1 gig of data as ASAP as possible. You know, if you want to check the normal way of getting data, it's 500 naira for 1 gig. But in today's video, I'm just going to show you it's as easy as possible. It is known as Airtel My Area. Airtel My Area is when Airtel chooses your area for you to get data for as low as possible. Now, it depends on, there are some tips. You might not be eligible actually. It depends on how long you have been using Airtel, and it depends on how you have been, understand, you have been loading Airtime and you have been buying data from Airtel. So if you watch this video to the end, it might not work for you, but I believe it's going to work for you. So if you know the normal way I do it, after you click on that subscribe button, share it, I'm going to use my screen recording to show you how I got my cheap data as possible for as low as 200 naira. Let's go. See, for that time, what you simply do is you go to your phone dialer app, phone dialer app. On your phone dialer app, you dial this code as you see on your screen, *430. Like I said, it depends on your eligibility. You might not be eligible for this particular offer, but it doesn't mean Airtel doesn't love you, because I'm preparing a new video immediately after this one. I'm going to drop a new video too on how you can get cheap data for MTN users, understand. So for now, I'm going to face all my Airtel brothers. So what you simply do is that *430 hash, and you click on Airtel. Click on Airtel. As you can see, this is 100 naira for 500 MB for 7 days. This is 200 naira 1 gig for 7 days. This is even as low as a bar. You understand? With this 200 naira now, if you want to check the normal way of buying data, you understand, it's 44 plus 4 is 8, that is 84, that is 160 for 200 naira. But with this quotes now that I have dialed, and my Airtel offer is an offer that is being given to you. You understand? So what you just do is, if you want 100 naira for 500 MB on the Sakpa Light mode, you can press number 1. But if you don't have much amount of money, you can press 2. That is for 200 naira for 1 gig 7 days, and you can click on the send. You can also decide to explore more by pressing 3. As you can see, more data offer if you want to explore more and more. As you can see here, that 500 naira will give you 2.5 gig for 2 days, 100 naira 500 MB 7 days, 200 naira 1 gig 7 days, and the likes. So guys, without wasting further time, if you really want to get the Airtime, just press on 2 for 200 naira for 1 gig 7 days, and you will have it ASAP. That is as soon as possible. And if you have watched this video to the end, please don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button, share this video to your friends, like this video, drop a comment, let me know whether you are eligible and actually works for you, so that you can boost up this video and so that you can also help me grow. I really love you. Thank you so much.